Now we have one more important question. If A is equal to a matrix 2, 3, 1, 2, B is 4 minus 6 minus 2, 4, then compute AB and hence solve the following system of equations. 2x plus y is equal to 4 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. Now, first of all, we have to find the product AB. That means 2, 3, 1, 2 into 4 minus 6 minus 2, 4, that is equal to 8 minus 6 minus 18 plus 12 minus 12 plus 12, 4 minus 4 and minus 6 plus 8, that is equal to 2002. We can write this as 2 into 1001. And now AB is equal to 2 into I, because 1001 is the identity matrix, and therefore we have to write this to be AB is equal to 2I. And now here the given equations 2x plus y is equal to 4 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 1 can be written as 2132 into xy is equal to a matrix 4, 1. And now you have to see this. The given system of equations 2132, that is the transpose of given matrix A, and therefore this can be written as A dash x is equal to B. And now we have, and x is equal to A dash its inverse into B. Now here we have to find the inverse of A dash. But to find the inverse of A dash, first of all, by using the equation AB is equal to 2I, we find A inverse. By using this, that means here pre-multiply by A inverse, and therefore A inverse into AB is equal to A inverse into 2I, and therefore A inverse into A into B is equal to 2A inverse into I. A inverse into A, that is I, B is equal to 2A inverse, and therefore B is equal to 2A inverse. It means A inverse is equal to 1 by 2B. And now the B matrix that is given 4 minus 6 minus 2, 4. Now we have to write here A inverse is equal to 1 by 2B, that means 4 minus 6 minus 2, 4. This is A inverse. And now here x is equal to A dash inverse into B. A inverse is this one. As you know this, A dash inverse is equal to A inverse its dash. That means we can write this as 1 by 2 4 minus 6 minus 2, 4 its dash, and therefore that is equal to 1 by 2 4 minus 6 minus 2, 4. And now use this in this equation x is equal to A dash inverse into B. Here don't try to B because B matrix is already given, and therefore you have to write that is equal to C. This constant matrix is C. And now x is equal to A dash inverse into C. It means x is equal to A dash inverse, that is 1 by 2 4 minus 2 minus 6 4 into C, that is 4 1, and therefore 1 by 2 multiply this 16 minus 2 minus 24 plus 4, that is equal to 1 by 4 14, and here we get minus 20, and therefore that is equal to 7 and 10, and x is xy. Now comparing this, we get x is equal to 7 and y is equal to minus 10. That is the answer. I hope it will be clear to everyone.